Oh, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marrol. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it. So today, I wanted to do a celeb makeup recreation. I'm going to be recreating this look on Adele. Oh, not this. This look on Adele by a makeup artist named Anthony Nguyen. So, let's get into it. I've already got the base on because I was like, let's just save a couple seconds, you know? I think we'll start with our brows though. If I'm looking over here, it's just because I've got the photo up for a reference. Also, I'm filming on my front camera today, so let me know if it's not it. And I will use the back camera for the future. Alright, so I'm going to start with brows. It's a pretty straight brow with like a bit of an arch. So let's do it. Oh my gosh, my brows are very messy right now. Whatever. They're not like super fluffy brows. They're pretty straight. And I'm just using my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade. Hello. I don't know what shade this is. It doesn't tell me. Doesn't matter. Also, welcome my neck zit. Thank you for joining us today. There's a brow. I'm gonna do the other one. Be right back. I've recently been doing, well, for like the last long time, I do my brows first, but I didn't today. And I just feel like the product is sliding around and not looking its best, so it is what it is. Oh, wow, these don't look anything like the brows. Well, we're gonna just go with it. I'll touch them up later if I feel like it. So I'm gonna take my Vive palette because I feel like we don't need too many shadows, like it's pretty simple, but I'm gonna take, oh my god, I'm gonna go with this shadow here called Delicious, and I'm also gonna use So Shy. I think those two will be pretty similar colors to what we've got going on. But yeah, I think this color will work just fine. So it's like a smoky outer corner here. And then it's basically just like straight across, like right above the crease, like connecting with the brow bone here. So let's start. I'm gonna have my Makeup by Marrol palette open as well, just because I think that there's some shadows in here that might work a bit better. And then it's really bright on the inner corner and pretty much throughout the whole lid. I take my Vive eye wand in vanilla and really get in here. And just kind of carve out the shape. And I'm gonna set that now with So Shy. I'm just gonna catch the other eye up, so I'll be right back. Now it's time for some liner. I forgot the top part of my liner on that eye. And we're gonna do the other side here. Man, are my eyelids ever getting wrinkly? Guess that's what happens when you turn 27. We're gonna leave it at that for now. We're gonna move on to the rest of the face. I feel like I want a bit more coverage. I haven't added any powder yet. I'm just gonna take my Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. Oh, that's a bit too whatever. And it's a quite a matte look. Just gonna take my Kosas powder and probably set my whole. Well, I'm gonna start with my under eyes. Now I feel like my bronzers that I have are not the same tone, but we're gonna just go with it. So I'm gonna take my Makeup by Marrol. Now it's kind of in the picture here, a bit higher and like more angled up to kind of snatch the face. I'm nervous. Now I'm gonna take some bronzer, powder bronzer, set that and kind of chisel a little bit more. My bronzer's a bit warm for this, but I don't really have any super cool toned bronzers. And now it's time to contour the nose. Slowly but surely, maybe surely, coming together. And I'm gonna take some powder just on my finger and go right down the middle. And I'm just gonna take my powder brush and kind of blend over top just to soften it. For blush, it's kind of, the blush kind of comes down onto the cheek a little bit. I was thinking about using my Patrick Ta. She's so LA. I'm just gonna dip into these and mix some of it. Okay, kind of intense, but we'll go in and dull it down a bit with some powder. It's high on the face though, so I think I fucked up. Just a bit softer. Now, I've already set my under eyes. Yeah, okay, so now we're gonna continue on with the eyeliner. Now the liner comes from the bottom lash line about 1/3 of the way in. So let's attempt. Maybe I'll put on some shadow first. Okay, here we go. Just prepare myself here. I need some more chapstick. My lips are looking fucking crusty. Got that one. I'm gonna let my eye is watering, so we gotta give her a minute. You know what? Every time I go in to touch up, like to soak away the tears, it gets worse. So I'm just gonna let it chill for a minute and let's fucking go. Just gonna take this little brush and kind of blend it out. Okay, inner corner time. That one needs to be fixed, but hey, this is could have been worse. Could have been a lot worse. Maybe I'll go in with some black shadow to help blend it out. I'm getting risky here, dude, and let's just try. So it's just like a little bit more blended. I just feel like the more I fuck around with it, the worse it will get. I'm happy. Oopsies. I'm happy with that. I think it's time for mascara and lashes to really bring her together. I'm gonna use my Vive lashes, if you remember my fucking idiocracy? Me being stupid from my last video, and I was like, wow, these are real fucking intense. It's because they're literally the style intense. So dumb. Well, I'm gonna pop on my mascara and my lashes, and I think I'll, oh, there they are. And we'll be back to do hair and lip and slight outfit change. I don't have fucking earrings that look like a tooth with a pearl attached to them, but we'll be back. Hello, here we are with some big ass lashes on. How are we thinking it's looking? I think next step is to do the hair. So I don't know how the fuck to do hair, dude. I don't have really that white outfit thing going on, so I'm gonna use this hair scrunchie, even though it's gonna not be shown at all. Okay, so it's really tight here. Oh, struggle back. So it's like a little bit that, but I need a piece here. I'm gonna bobby pin the shit out of this so that we're gonna just get that real tight. I definitely need another hair tie though. You know what? I'm gonna take out that hair tie. Keep those bobby pins. You can't even really see her hair, so I'm just gonna do it fun. Loosen that a bit. We got our little sideburns pulled out. I'm gonna set my face a bit more. Time for some lips. Oh, that one's pretty perfect. Basically the same. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Vive lip pencil in Brat. Use a lot of Vive products here today. I think this is probably the lightest one. I'll just stick with my first choice. It's the Tarte. It's like a mini baby one. This is really old. Rum Punch. It's more matte though. I don't really have... It's not gonna be weird to put some powder on it. It's kind of working. Just need to clean up the edges a bit. Take out these earrings. These are the closest things I have that would look anything similar. Do these earrings not look like they're just big teeth? I have a black tube top on here, but you can't really see it. Do I look like Adele? Can't say I do. You know, I have had people tell me before that they think I look like Adele. And okay, what else can we do here? What do you think? I do love this look though. It's quite nice. That's the most Adele I think we're gonna get. Just trying to smooth some of my hairs down without ripping out my fucking hair. Like in makeup school, we had to do like our celebrity lookalike, and everyone in the class kind of picks who they think you look like, and everyone thought I looked like Adele. So my person who was doing my makeup did Adele makeup, and yeah. So I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I don't really see it, but what do you think? Thanks for hanging with me. Okay, now we're done. Go easy on me, okay? I'm a loser, I know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I want to put my sweater back on because I'm cold. It's freezing in this fucking house. Should I find like some white thing? I'm a fucking idiot. You just wrap a towel. Maybe I will. How's that? Do I look like Adele? I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. That's all I can say. Oh, I'm getting more ideas here. That's one. I gotta get the other one. It's perfect. Dollar store Adele is here. How do we feel? Oh my god. I've never seen a more Adele looking Adele. Really? Oh, you can't really see the back though. It's more of like a shoulder. What is this called? Like a... Oh. Oh, is that Adele? Adele, is that you? I have to stop now. But I'm happy that this could be like a Halloween costume, don't you think? Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you're still here, thank you. You're a real one. Let me know what you think about this whole situation. It was fun. I had a great time doing it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and give this video a like if you liked it. I don't even know what I used. I probably won't list the products in the description box because it was more like a funsies kind of video. But yeah, drop me a comment. Tell me something interesting if you feel like it. Thank you once again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.